Whew, bless me. Hey guys, what's up? It's your girl Kiitana here. I'm back. So I've got an everyday makeup routine for you. I know a bunch of you have been asking for this, and it's updated. I think the last one I did was like sometime last year, which was too long ago. If you're not already subscribed, make sure you just subscribe down below. If you like makeup videos from me and you want to see more, please make sure you give this video a thumbs up. And yeah, check all the way to the end to see the different ways I style my hair, because I want you guys to help me pick. Let's get into the video. Don't know why my hair is... Can you just behave yourself? Yeah. Alright, so the first thing I want to start off with is moisturizers. So I've got this moisturizer from Olay. I've partnered with them to do this video. Yeah, it's the Olay Luminous Whip. And you guys, it has SPF in it. I'll leave a link to it down below. I have hyperpigmentation around my mouth area and around like under my eyes. Ever since I found out about SPF and like the benefits of making sure you're covering your face after you've put all your products in the morning, I have used it every single day. And it has literally changed my skin. Olay Whips is really great because it doesn't leave a blue film. It's not sticky at all, and it's like clouds on your face. It just glides on so smoothly. Let me know what your experience with SPF is. Do you wear it daily? What are your thoughts? I know that it's really important, so I highly, highly, highly recommend it. Also acts as a primer, y'all, so I'm just gonna continue on with my makeup. Next, we're gonna go with my Black Radiance HD color corrector, and I'm just gonna put that all over places that I have hyperpigmentation. I'm not even sure if this is how you do it because I feel like I just put it pretty much everywhere. The moisturizer is just really hydrating. Like I feel like my face is just like... So I'm just gonna use my Real Techniques buffing brush. This is the one that I use for this specifically. So I'm just gonna dab that all in. So yeah, let me start doing my eyebrows, which is a struggle in itself. Where's my pencil sharp now? Oh god. Sharpened it, and then I'm just gonna basically gonna create like some strokes. My eyebrows never look like they're supposed to. Every single time it always looks different. It's just a pot of beans. Now I'm about to use my LA Girl Pro Conceal in the color Fawn. I'm using my Real Techniques detailer brush, and I'm gonna just try to, you know, create some sort of definition. Did you guys watch the royal wedding? Let me know what you thought in the comments. What do you think of Meghan? Woo! Did I just mess up? Who asked me to be talking to you guys when I'm doing my eyebrows? So I'm gonna go with my Fenty Beauty Pro Filter Foundation in the color 430. And I'm also gonna be using my Real Techniques buffing brush. I'm just gonna do 3 pumps and then put it on my face. Alright, I have been using the Nars Creamy Concealer, and this is in the color medium dark. Oh no. What? Oh no, this is in the color Walnut. The verdict is still out to see if this is worth 6 of these. I'm not sure, but for the most part, I've been loving it and it's been doing me right. I put on my lid as well because, you know, we're gonna do some eyeshadow. We're gonna try to do some eyeshadow. So now I'm just gonna blend that in. So I just go in with my buffing brush just to make sure there's no harsh corners. Put the concealer on. I'm going to be using my Laura Mercier translucent powder. So I'm just gonna put that under my eye. I'm just gonna actually just take off what's on my, what is this, eyelid, so I can just do my minimal eyeshadow because I don't do too much. So I'm gonna use my Naked Heat palette, which I've been loving lately. So I'm just gonna use the orange, and I'm just gonna put that all over my lid, both lids. Then I'm gonna go in with this other brush. None of these, I don't know what these are. This one says Lamora. I don't know where I got it from. I apologize. And I'm just gonna take the darkest shade, which is called Strike, and I'm just gonna use that to create like a smoky effect on the edge. And that's all I do. Super simple. I think I might have gone a little bit too far out for this, but you know what? It's all good. It's fine. You guys know I really don't know what I'm doing, and that's okay. It's okay for you not to know what you're doing, because you don't become a pro overnight, and I think that's something that needs to be you know, said, because I feel like everybody always makes it seem so easy. It doesn't work that way in real life for those of us who don't know what we're doing, like me. So yeah, I'm going with my Kat Von D tattoo liner, and this is in the brush tip. Just gonna put that and try my best. God, please don't mess up. Guys. Okay, so now we've got that. Okay, I mean, now I have to recreate. I have to recreate it on this eye. Okay. I successfully did my eyeliner without too many mistakes. At least you can't see the mistakes too well. I'm using the Black Radiance pressed powder in the color Black Coffee. And basically, I've already hit pan, but I'm just going to start using the sides now. Basically, just going to put that where I'm going to contour. If you're wondering where my head wrap is from, it's from Atara Avenue. I'm going to leave a link to it down below along with the coupon code. So make sure you check it out. Okay. I'm going to dust off the translucent powder. And then I'm going to go in with my MAC Mineralized Skin Finish in the color Dark Deep. Whew, bless me. Fun fact about me, I love sneezing. I love it. I've been using the Urban Decay All Nighter Setting Spray. I used to use it all the time, and then I moved into some other ones, and now I'm back. I love it. So I'm just going to spray that all over my face. And while I'm waiting for it to dry, I'm going to go in with my ColourPop Lippy Pencil. Lippy Sticks? Lippy? Yeah. Lippy Pencil in Pitch. Lately, I've been loving NYX Lip Lingerie in the color Liply. So I basically make sure I line my lips, because on dark skin, this is going to look crazy. So you make sure you line it, and then I just put it in the inner parts. I borrowed my sister's Anastasia Beverly Hills Glow Kit. So this is how it looks, in case you didn't know. Glow.com. So I'm gonna use, because I want to look really golden, I'm gonna use Golden Dawn. I'm gonna use my fan brush, which is, look at how bent it is. Basically, I need to get a new one. Wow, 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 wow. Ooh, oops. I'm gonna put that in my inner tear duct. Once I've done all that, I just go in again with my all-nighter and just like do a second spray. I definitely do not do this every day. Who has time? So I went and put on an orange shirt just to, you know, help this whole thing pop. And some more glow right here. So I left my head wrap on for one of the looks, but I just wanted to show you, like, the whole thing even worked out, Seth. Took the scarf off, and now I'm going to show you the hair down. Which one do you prefer? Do you prefer with the head wrap and up? Do you prefer it down like this? And maybe I'll put it up without a head wrap. I'll show you how it is. And I also put it up in a high bun. So yeah, that is it. Okay guys, thank you so much for watching this video. If you liked my everyday makeup routine, then give this video a thumbs up. Yeah, it took unnecessarily long for me to film this video. I don't know why. So, but at least I'm done now and I can get on with my day. Alright, see you guys in my next one. And make sure you check out Olay Whips. I'm going to leave a link to it down below. I use Luminous, but there's also Regenerist and Total Effects, which are also really good as well. And as you can see, it got my face looking right and tight. Okay. Let me know which look is your favorite look. If you like the bun with no head wrap, if you like it with the head wrap, or if you like my hair down, let me know in the comment section down below. I'd love to know. Okay, I gotta go. So I'll see you guys in my next one. Bye!